Dear students, greetings from Narendra. I am reaching out to you through your career journeys so that it reaches a wider audience. I am thankful to Ms. Satrupa Singh for this gesture. I am Narendra Kumar Puri from Bangalore, India. I have completed my BSc Honours Agriculture from CCS, Haryana Agriculture University, Hisar, and later I did my MBA in Marketing. I write this letter to the students interested about agriculture as a career. I am having 31 years of experience in sales and marketing with agri industry selling agri inputs like seeds, crop nutrients and household chemicals. I have worked with various multinational companies like Syngenta Seeds, Pioneer Seeds, Tata Rallis. As you know, India is second most populated country in the world with its present population of around 1.4 billion and more than 60% people are engaged in agriculture or farming. So India needs lot of new things in terms of science and technology to develop this sector. With that in mind, there are various emerging technologies that can literally change the agricultural landscape in the years ahead. Some of the leading trends are soil and water sensors, weather tracking, satellite imaging, drone and other aerial imagery, farming software with AI and online data. Some of the emerging capital inputs demand is also on rise, like tractors and other agricultural machinery used in crops from sowing to harvesting and post-harvesting. Other than this is nylon netting, stakes, plows, irrigation systems and construction of greenhouses for in-house or controlled cropping. Our main agenda today is to talk about career in sales and marketing of agri inputs. The major agricultural inputs are seeds, pesticides, fertilizers and micronutrients. There are various government, semi-government, private sector, good companies working in this field. The major companies are Rasi Seeds, Nujividu Seeds, Yara, Syngenta, Corteva and Tata Rallis. Agri-business activities in India are controlled by state or central licensing authorities because of the involvement of the larger population in this profession. There may be 5 regions to consider sales and marketing as a career in agriculture. Number 1, high demand everywhere across the world. Number 2, you can work independently. Number 3, you can enjoy very good perks. Number 4, relationship building which works for entire life. And number 5, involves tours and travels which is very interesting. Anyone can start career with the minimum basic qualification. Like you can start your career with higher secondary education as a field assistant or field supervisor in the field. They can take some vocational training short term to make the better space in the industry. After completing the higher secondary, one can go for BSc Agriculture, and after completing this degree, there are wide scopes to join good companies or government sector in officer cadre and can grow up to any level with the high performance. As sales is a relationship business, so if one is good in soft skills, he will grow faster. After BSc in Agriculture, one can join some premier institutes for higher education like IIMs for management studies. Companies recruit the MBAs directly in the junior management level, and the career is very lucrative after this degree. and the sky is the limit for such candidates. Some of the premier institutes in agriculture in India are as under GB Pant Agriculture University, Pantnagar, CCS Haryana Agriculture University, Hisar, Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, ICAR and IAR, New Delhi, Pusa Institutes, Mastipur, Bihar, etc. There are many more. You can track online state-wise universities across the country. I know many people who are simply BSc in agriculture and have grown up to the top level in the industry. One of such name is Mr. P.V. Reddy. He retired as Vice President Marketing with Tata Rallies. There are many more, the list is long. Remember, sales is very rewarding and performance game. Everyone needs to perform daily better than they were yesterday. So, I would like to encourage the youngsters to opt the career in agriculture for a bright tomorrow, especially for the person who cannot spend more on education or who needs to start their career early because of some social obligations. All the best. Thank you very much.